Meaning of effulgence.
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 Effulgence. Effulgence refers to a brilliant radiance or brightness, often associated with light or shining objects. This term connotes a dazzling or intense quality that is both powerful and captivating. Effulgence can be used to describe the sun, stars, or other celestial bodies, as well as radiant beauty or inspiration. In literature, effulgence is often used to convey a sense of transcendence or divine power, as if the object or person being described possesses a luminous, almost mystical quality that inspires awe and wonder in its observers.